Good evening, we're talking about volume tonight. As you can see, volume is how much space something takes up. It happens in 3 dimensions, so we have 3 measurements that we need. We need the length, the width and the height. In the case of this cuboid, we have a rectangle on the end that's 3 centimetres long, 2.5 centimetres high, and the width or the depth, how far back this object goes, is 3.5 centimetres. To find out how much space that occupies, we multiply them all together. 3 times 3.5 times 2.5 gives us 26.3 centimetres cubed. We always put a 3 at the end to show that its volume, the units, are cubed. Multiplied 3 things together, it's in 3 dimensions, we have a 3 on the centimetres, on the units. If you have a prism, which is a 3D shape, you're used to the shapes like circles and triangles and squares and trapeziums, and they're all in 2D. If we put them into 3D and we want to find out the volume, we need to add another measurement. So, if you've got a prism, you find the volume of the end and multiply by the depth. So you use all the shapes you know already. You know the volume, the area of a circle is pi r squared. To find the volume of something that's a circle in 3D, then you need to multiply by the depth. The radius for the circle is 4 millimetres, so our formula for the area of the end is pi times 4 squared, and its height in this case is 18 millimetres. That comes to 905 millimetres cubed, to no decimal places. This is a rectangle in 3D. We know the formula for the triangle. We know the formula for a triangle is half base times height. So just looking at the triangle part, noticing that there is a right angle here. One of these sides is the base and the other one's the height. This one is the hypotenuse, the diagonal line. We discard that information. We only need the 6 and the 5. So half times 6 times 5 will give us the area of the triangle. If we multiply that by the depth, in this case, of 8, we get 120 metres cubed. And this little cloud here is in 3D. The shaded part is the area of the end. If we want to find the volume, we multiply that area by the depth of the cloud. Pause it, take notes, do heaps of practice. I'll see you in class.